Hello and welcome. This is Neil Hogum. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about expanded polystyrene and how it's made. Basically, EPS foam is short for expanded polystyrene, and the name basically explains what it is. It's a polystyrene bead that's expanded, and the process that's used is what people don't understand a lot of times. It's a plastic resin basically that you take and you combine with heat and with steam, and then it expands the bead to a certain point. Now, once the bead is expanded, you take it and you put it in a container that allows the blowing agent to escape. That's put inside the bead, and that actually allows the bead to expand. And if you don't let it sit in this container for 24 hours, then the blocks will probably come out bad because there will be a lot of pressure inside and the chemicals trying to escape. And the blowing agent is very important for the process, but you have to have it escape once you do the initial expansion of the beads. Now, you let it sit for 24 hours, then you take the beads and you put it inside of a mold, a big machine that has a cavity in it. Then you put the beads in there and you combine it with more steam and more heat, and then what happens to all of the beads that are being put in there under pressure, they expand a little bit more, and all the beads they mold together, or they fuse together, and that's what makes the final product. Now, what people don't realize is when that block comes out of the molder, it's wet because you're using steam, and you have to let the block sit anywhere from 1 week to 2 weeks. Otherwise, if you use that block, it's just going to be bad.